Who are you calling?
Wait, they have caller ID if that matters.
It'll say,
Who are you
you
calling?
can't. It's Brenner. If it doesn't accept blocked, it'll tell me.
Alright,
I'm putting something. She's gonna hear your voice. She's gonna know it's your voice.
8088.
Well, it's already in the video. You're recording?
Hi, Liz. Dr. Prank Phone, call your house. Hello?
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 Who's calling?
It is Delaware Avenue.
I'm sorry?
You order Chinese food?
No. What's the number you're trying to...
The Delaware Avenue.
I'm on Delaware Avenue.
Delaware Avenue, Delaware Avenue.
Yes, but we didn't order Chinese food.
No, you order what food?
What kind?
What the food?
Good one.
No.
What did he
Dad
say?
is such a cunt.
He's such a fucking douchebag.
Call my
Such a
dad.
cunt.
What did he say?
Call my dad. That
Yeah,
should be.
call our dad.
Alright.
Wait, is
228.
he at work though?
Give me,
Is he at work?
No,
Alright, wait, what's his house number?
he doesn't have a house number.
He only has cell phone.
You mean like you order, I'm outside your
Say
house.
wonton soup and poo poo plata.
Your dad's calling.
Give me the phone. Who's that?
Yes. I'm at Melissa's house having birthday cake.
Melissa's house doing what we did in
Twice.
7th grade.
Why would I
Frank
want to